So we are solving this is October November 16 P3, and this is your we're doing the task today. You're going to prepare a spreadsheet to calculate the advertising costs charged by hotel design to each hotel in Goa. Use the most efficient formula. Display all currencies in rupees. Fine. So 1 rupees equals 200 paisa. Fine. Using schedule hot package, load the file this. Sure. So we have the file. This one. Excel file. Right. Next. So once this done, save the file, spreadsheet with your name, send and candidate number, place an automated file name, including path, in the right of the header. Now listen, I'll come to file. It's being recorded, so you can have a look afterwards. Print, if in case you don't get it. Come into page setup, header footer. So where did they ask? In the header. So custom header, they want is your in the right of the header you want the automated file name. So right in the right you have over here is insert file path. Can you see that? And here you can
Yes,
have
sir.
your name and your
Center number.
whatever. Done. So they're appearing over there. So insert 4 new rows before row 1. So I need to insert 1, 3, 4. In cell A1, enter the following title. Okay. A1. We'll add this. Okay. Merge cells A1 to G1. So A1 to G1, I will simply merge.
Okay.
Format this cell to have black background with white 36 center line sans serif font. So black
The font
background.
should be white.
Yeah, font should be white, background should be black, and font should be 36. Okay, Times New Roman, any sans serif. Right? Let me just right. Make sure all text is fully visible. It is. Or I can just make it a bit better. No, it's not. Sorry.
No, it isn't.
Let me double click. Okay, so it's visible. Let's follow ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure text fully visible. In cell F3, enter the text rate. So in F3, which is F3 over here, I'll enter rate. Fine. In F4, enter rupees. So in F4,
124.
I'll enter the rate in rupees. Fine. Okay. Right. I could even format this and come into currency, and I could actually select from here is any currency that I earn.
So ये क्या किया आपने?
Sorry, मैंने बेटा I just right click on the currency, format,
Okay.
currency, and I want to define
And change it to?
yeah, Indian rupees. So you will have it over here.
Did he ask you?
Yeah, I'll show you. Just let me do it. They said in the beginning. Just one second. INR must be here. INR, right? So
जी.
you can see over here that they did say, right?
Okay.
Okay. So point number 17. Make sure the content of the cells in the row starting with resort and number of rooms, bold and italic. Resort should be bold and italic, and rooms should be bold and italic. Fine. Okay. Bold and underline, not italic. Sorry. Bold and underline. Bold and underline. Now, in cell D6, use a function to look up. So we have to open up this file. Let's do. It's yeah. Taluka. Right. It's Taluka. Whatever. Let's do the question. Enter in D6 function to look up the external file, the Taluka name for the result. Okay, no problem. So where we have is the T code, and then we have the Taluka name. So we need to the Taluka. So here we go. Equals to v lookup. This is the lookup value, T code, comma. We need to just select from here is these two. Compare this with this. You get the point. So comma 2 means
सर उसने टी कोड का कब कहा था?
we are comparing. We want to find the T code. Okay, and so how can you find the Tuluka name? आप अगर इस फाइल को देखो, T code represents इसका ये code है, इसका ये code है, इसका ये code है, इसका ये code है. I have the codes
Okay.
over here. I have the codes here. So if I write over
Okay.
here is comma 2, which means get the data from this 2, and comma 0 the exact match. So I'll get, and you can see जिनके zones हैं उस तरह ही आ रहे हैं. And you can even confirm from here. You get the point. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Here we कहते हैं in cell E6 enter
Did you
for.
lock the value?
Okay. When you externally get the files, your files automatically get logged. So you can confirm.
Okay.
If they are not, you do it. Achha? Then what you have
ठीक.
is in E6 enter function to look up from the external file
The
this
location.
the location. So आप देख रहे हो इधर this and that's the location. So अगर मैं select करूँगा, मैं क्या लिखूँगा? Comma 3, 1, 2, 3. Third से data है ना? 2 क्यों लिखते हैं?
जी.
When you want this data come from the second. So if location we again the same thing. We look up. This is my value, comma, select from here, comma 3,
3,
comma 0.
0.
और इसको हम replicate कर देंगे, and you can see is range locked here. ठीक है, range is locked.
जी.
हो गया. In cell G6 मतलब over here. If function है. Enter formula to calculate the advertising cost, which is the rate. अच्छा, paper was a different term. This is complicated, but fine. Which is the rate entered. अगर 25 advertising 25 आएगी, the resort has 50 or less. So आप देख रहे हो room 50 or less है तो rate क्या आएगा? ये 75 if the resort has 50 but less than 101, 150 if it's. तो पता है हम क्या करेंगे? I'll tell you what. We do is equals to if, बिल्कुल ठीक है. If this value is just if result is 50 or less. If this
is
value is
40 or
less
less.
than equal to 50, फिर क्या करेंगे? We will have is 25 लिखा जाएगा, ठीक है? Comma
जी
एक और if. Otherwise हम क्या करेंगे? Side effect कब आएगा?
75
It's 50 but less than 11. तो हम लिखेंगे less than 11. We don't write this. So you will get this today. If this is less than equal to 101, comma, satisfy by. Otherwise, एक और if.
okay
And this is what? If this is less than 201. हम higher value को देखते हैं. If this is less than equal to 201,
ठीक है
then 150. So you learned a new point. It's 150. Comma. अच्छा, since आखिरी value रह गई है, so I can simply write 200. You get the point now? False की जरूरत नहीं है लिखने की.
yes sir
Which means obviously if all of these are not true, तो 200 आ जाए. Did you get this point last one?
yes
Very good.
sir
So this is what we get. आप इसको verify भी कर सकते हो. इसके मुताबिक सही आ रहा है. Every value is correct. You get the point.
yes sir
Technically, maybe the reason why you are unable to do it because maybe I did not tell you that when you use if or जब ऐसी condition है हम upper value
so we can put many values
बस that was the only loophole. वरना इसको and से implement करना was lengthy work. So not
Okay,
really
sir.
difficult to achieve 8 marks. इतना मुश्किल नहीं था. If अगर आपको बात पता होती तो in cell B27 you can see what is B27. Here, enter formula to add the number of rooms in the location in column A. So I'll simply use is equals to count A. Count A will count all, है ना? तो ये location
count average
या मैं तो count करना चाह रहा हूँ ना, ठीक है? This is
जी
what the question was now. Okay, number of rooms. Replicate the formula entered in step 18, 19, 20. वो हम
हमने count क्यों नहीं लगाया इसमें
बेटा count होता है numbers के लिए ना. Count होता है for everything, numbers
अच्छा.
and text. अच्छा ये हम कर चुके हैं.
okay
Replicate हम कर चुके हैं. We have done this. Replicate मतलब वो नीचे जब किए थे drag सारे वो हम कर चुके हैं.
okay
Apply appropriate formatting. Appropriate formatting का मतलब यही है कि जो cost होगा ना वो होगा again Indian rupees. Format करोगे and again you search for command. वो format Indian rupees करके format कर, ठीक है?
okay
और save the spreadsheet. Formulas का प्रिंट आउट निकालना है और वैल्यूज का. वो किस तरह? आप देखो वैल्यूज का तो डायरेक्टली आप निकाल लोगे यूं. यू गो टू फाइल प्रिंट और पोर्ट्रेट में यू कैन प्रिंट, ठीक है? यू अगर इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ प्रिंट ऑफ द फंक्शंस यू प्रेस कंट्रोल टिल्डा. पता है ना एस्केप की जो होती है, जो बेबी साइन
control
कंट्रोल टिल्ड जो होती है बेबी एस्केप की जो नहीं होता वेव सा होता है
जी
उसको
जी
press उससे ये आ जाएगा. इसके क्लिक हियर एंड डबल क्लिक. Okay, now file print. मगर we need to do it in landscape, so इसको आपको करना पड़ेगा landscape. Okay, let's see
Okay.
again. उसने कहा है landscape row and column heading आए.
row and column
row and column heading के साथ
वो कर ली.
मैं बताता हूँ. पता है आपको पेज सेटअप पे आओ
row and column
और शीट में आके
जी.
row and column को you can just शीट में just enable it, so you get the rows and column heading.
okay
और इसका प्रिंट आउट निकाल. दिस विल ऑब्वियसly कम इन 3 पेजेस. सेपरेट में आएगा, एक में नहीं आएगा. दैट्स द वे टू
जी
एंड यू गेट द प्रिंट आउट. एंड वी डिड दिस वे. ठीक हो गया? यस और नो? नाउ
Yes.
you can attempt this again and email it to me. ठीक है?
okay okay sir
and let me know how did it go. ठीक है?
okay sir
फिर हम एक दिन बाद we'll keep another class and then I'll update you on that. ठीक है बेटा?
जी जी sir
ओके बेटा.